Hey, what's up? My name is Vakila here. Today I'm gonna do a topic on how to do a screen recording with video and audio using Apple QuickTime. So QuickTime is a program that comes on your um, Mac or MacBook Pro, and you can get it in this. If you go to Finder, you go into Other. Mine is stored here, and this is the QuickTime, and it's got to be the correct version there with that logo there. And let's go back to the main document. So you if you want to see whether it is able to record, you go into the right version. It has to have these three: new movie recording on file, new audio recording, and new screen recording. Okay, so what I did is I pressed new movie recording. It brings up the window, the video window, and new screen recording brings up the screen recording, and then I clicked on the record, and as soon as I clicked, it showed a strip that asked me whether I want to record the whole screen or not. In fact, it tells me what to do, to drag the mouse around the area that I want to record. So, or click, if you just click it, it records the whole screen like what I did. So after doing that, I have to work on this camera here. This camera here still has a recording button. For me to deal with it, I might even go there and I can choose what I want to do there. Whether I want to use the microphone in there or an external microphone. Now, for me to remove this record button, I click there again, and I also click record. Now, as soon as I move my mouse from there, it goes away. So let's go through the steps now. So what do? You open your QuickTime and size up the camera window to where you want, and then open two documents. This is my title document, which is a Word document. I can bring up that document like that, and that's it. Please subscribe to my channel. And if I go there, this is the other document, which is the main document I'm working on, where my all my information is, and that's the document there, as you can see. And I size them properly. Now, the next thing that you might want to do, you're gonna want to remove this dock. It's you don't want to record it there. So all you need to do is to go on. You press you depress Option, Command, and D at the same time. Let's put our mouse down there first. Let's go there. Boom, that disappears. Now after those ones disappear, you can adjust your windows. Let's say I'm adjusting this window here, which is my title page. I can adjust it down to there, and I can also adjust my main document down to there. Okay, and then click into the camera, click into there. So I have my camera there, and I have my title down there, and I have my my document there, the main document that I want to record. So that's the thing. I can scroll this document here. You see, so those are the steps that I can show you. That prepare the document you would like to present in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, PDF, Keynote, or any other application of your choice. Create a title page with your logo and type in your topic, name or nickname, and encourage people to subscribe. And down here you see map out the orientation of your documents, including the camera. I might have, I could have put the camera down here and the title page up there, or put the main page on the right side, on the left side, and change the orientation as I wish. And then open QuickTime, click on File and click on New Movie Recording, and then position Windows according to your map above. Okay, so scroll down a bit, position your computer on a stand so that the camera has the right view you want to record. Like I did, you can see my decor in the background there. That's what I wanted the computer to record, and to have a shot of this size for me there for my video. And the eighth point there, remove the dashboard by or the docking area by pressing depressing Option, Command, and letter D simultaneously. So that dock goes away, and then you can adjust your windows. Now you can your main page, you can really adjust it as well by pressing Home and then cut away the top part there with the menus, and then click Record Video and select the microphone you want to use to record. You might want to connect an external USB microphone or use the internal one. Right now I'm using the internal microphone. It's pretty good. And then click on the webcam window and click on File. Select New Screen Recording. Select Record Whole Area, or otherwise select your area. The other tips that I want to give you is you can you can gain control of your window by clicking inside it. For example, if I want to gain control of this window here, I can do that. And if I want to gain control of this one, I can do that. Click into there. Now, this is I can put the whole camera on the screen like that, And if I want to go back to those documents, I just escape, and there they are. The problem with clicking these other two documents, if I try to let them take the whole screen, when I return, they need to be readjusted. So I still need to figure that one out, and I'll come back to you guys and let you know. So here is the thing: you have created your screen recording, and it's perfect. Here, your video is there, and your words are there on the document. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep bringing you some tips to help your life become easy. And thank you guys and girls. Hasta luego. The other thing that I want to tell you is the stop button is up here. It goes into the menu bar there, and then you can press it to stop it. And that's the thing. Cheers, bye.